How to fix Amazon account on hold. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Amazon account on hold. Now, the first thing you want to do is open any web browser, then head over to amazon.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to click on these three lines and now scroll down. Here you want to find the option of your account. Once you click on this, you're going to find different options over here. Simply find the option of customer service, then click on this. Now if you know the reason why your Amazon account is on hold, then you can basically click on any of these topics over here. However, if you do not know the reason, then you want to scroll down and click on the something else option. Now over here, click on I need more help option. Once you do that, this box will appear. Now as you can see, you are being connected with the customer support. Now the customer service chat will be enabled in this way. All you want to do is mention your problem over here. Now, if the chatbot is not able to support you, then you also have the option to get connected with a human agent. So go ahead and select that option. Once you are connected with a customer service agent, you simply want to explain that your Amazon account is on hold. They will ask you a couple of details over here. Make sure to answer them accurately. After that, the customer support will fix the Amazon account on hold issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.